Viv Schofield is proud to wear her heart on her sleeve. Inked with the pink breast cancer ribbon, an empowering symbol of her struggle with the disease, but also a tribute to two lost sisters and a father who all died of cancer.
I've got survivor written on it because I am a survivor, and not that I need reminding, but it's nice just to be able to look down and remember that it doesn't matter what your day's like, I'm a survivor.
The 49-year-old was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2011, her terrible family history weighing heavily.
Because of Glenys and Judith and Dad passing, I just thought, that's it. I'm going to be gone. I'm going to be gone in less than 2 years. I had a young granddaughter and other children that will have children, and I just thought, it's not fair. I want to be part of their lives.
Viv has since discovered she has the defective BRCA2 gene. 2 separate mastectomies later, her health is good and she's hopeful of a bright future. Hunter Medical Research Institute scientists are offering more hope, finding they can detect early changes in the breasts of BRCA gene carriers.
We were looking to see if it actually was a pre-invasive condition that existed in the apparently healthy breast. And the answer is yes, we can actually see this. There are chemical differences.
Professor Carolyn Mountford's team has found changes in triglycerides and cholesterol, which render the breast more susceptible to tumour growth. The research has been done using MRS, magnetic resonance spectroscopy, a cutting-edge technique pioneered by Professor Mountford, which uses traditional MRI scanners in a new way.
We can look at muscle metabolism, cancer in all of the organs, or it's possible to look at how the brain is working, but from a chemical perspective, not from a structural perspective.
Working between Newcastle and Harvard Medical School, Professor Mountford is also focused on a very different field, the effects of repetitive head injury.
What does it really do to the human brain? And the answers that we're getting are really, they're uncomfortable, they're actually, it's far worse than we'd anticipated. In footballers, and we're going to be looking at soldiers soon, we can actually see pathways that have ceased to function properly because of repetitive head injury.
The use of MRS opens up seemingly boundless possibilities for research. The technology's significance has been recognised by the University of Newcastle, which is funding a research scanner to be installed at HMRI later this year. Professor Mountford is fundraising for another scanner to be dedicated to breast cancer research.
It provides the woman with more control over her life, knowing that she has an issue.
Viv Schofield is taking control.
So I want to be here.
A true survivor.